dry. Do you know I'm looking?
Hey y'all, Kristen here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in minimalism and healthy living, then stick around. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a grocery haul from Aldi. And then I'm also gonna do a little cook with me as you guys kind of watch me cook up some of what I bought. So first thing I got was 2 sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are amazing at Aldi and they're also pretty cheap. So I got sweet potatoes, bag of carrots, cucumber, this pita bread, which is amazing. You can do like mini pizzas, you can do tacos, chicken tacos, beef tacos on this. You can also do like a great sandwich with like some avocado, chicken, cucumbers. It's a great option. Some kefir and strawberry. My all-time favorite snacks from Aldi, which is their protein bars, their peanut butter dark chocolate almond, as well as these little fruit and grain soft bars in blueberry. That was the only flavor they had. I also like their mixed berry, but they were out. Bag of grapes, because grapes were on sale. A bag of apples. Some boneless chicken breasts right here. And I did get a few canned things, 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of black beans, and some frozen veggies. Their veggies are cheap, so I got some mixed veggies, corn, broccoli, green beans, and green beans. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away and then you guys can come with me as we cook up. I'm thinking of making some sweet potatoes in the oven, cubed, and then possibly a vegetable. So yeah, just come along with me and let's get started. These 2 sweet potatoes in the oven and a can of black beans. And I'm also gonna do some green beans. So these are pretty easy. I'll just rinse them off in a strainer and you'll see me do that. And then I'll heat them up. And these I'll just pop in the microwave. So I got veggie protein and then a healthy carbohydrate. Fruit, I might do like some yogurt and berries, but I did get a count in for the day because I had an apple and then blueberries earlier today. So I already got my fruit count in. Let's get started. Cue the montage.
You dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile.
Now I'm going to do a little bit of cubing for these. I usually cut them up in circles like this and then I will cube them. Like this. And then cut them this way. So they're in kind of a cube shape. And then throw them in the pan.
Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
So there you have it, my sweet potatoes. That is just one. I have to cut up the other one yet, but I'm going to show you what I put on there. I use a little olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little everything but the bagel. So I keep it pretty simple. So I'm gonna do that now.
And we just sing along, and I can't help but feel.
And then I throw that in the oven for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes on 425, and it's good to go. You may have to stir it and mix it a little bit with a spoon in the middle.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Put these in for about 5 minutes in the microwave.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Something I try to do is have very basic meals that are easy to make, because after work I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I don't want to put in the effort to make this huge meal that's going to be a lot of work and take me a ton of prep time. So again, I try to keep things simple. So I have some like go-to recipes, like for example, the sweet potatoes. I also have like the pita bread. I'll make pita bread and I'll put some chicken in the crock pot and shred it and put it on the pita bread with like cucumbers, spinach, different veggies, and then like some sort of like mayo or honey mustard or something on there. And I'll just eat it as like a sandwich. I also have done like eggs in there, right? So the nice part about the pita bread is it's multi-use. You can use it to make multiple things. The other thing I'll do is I make a lot of like scrambled eggs, fried eggs, things like that. Like some fresh fruit, fresh grapes, frozen grapes. I'll freeze mine as well. A fresh apple. I love fruit, and it makes me like them more just because, I don't know, I've grown to love veggies a little bit more than what I used to, and it's healthy for my body and providing me with those healthy nutrients. So that I make and kind of how I make it. If you guys are interested in another cook with me, just comment below if you're interested in that. I could do another one of me making a different meal. Again, I like to keep things very basic. You know, I like to think of it as like Kristen's minimal cookbook, because it works for me and it's very minimal, very easy. The prep time is 15 minutes. Like the hardest thing about prep for my sweet potatoes is cutting them up. Everything else is easy. Until next time, it's a beautiful day to simplify. Bye y'all.
Can we stay here forever?